Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to connect your Solflare wallet to Raydium. To connect your Solflare wallet to Raydium, first of all, open your Solflare wallet app and make sure that you're inside one of your wallets. Now, minimize this screen and then open up a web browser on the same device. In the URL box, type in raydium.io and search. You will now end up in the home screen for raydium.io. Go and tap on the Connect Wallet button at the top right corner, and from the Choose Wallet section, select Solflare. Now, if you want to auto-connect next time, toggle on the button right next to auto-connect. Also, if you want to instantly approve transactions for this specific wallet, you can toggle on the next button as well. If you don't want to enable any access right now, simply tap on Connect. Now you have successfully connected your Solflare wallet to Raydium. Once connected, you will see your wallet address displayed at the top right corner of the screen. You can now start trading, providing liquidity, or using any other features Raydium offers. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.